All right, welcome back, boys and girls. Here we are at our reading table. We are going to quickly go over our words to know, our letter, segmenting, substituting, and then we'll take a break and then we'll go to writing. So here we are, our words to know for the unit: make, play, said, good, she, all, no, he. All right, all those words are on our word to know row. These are words you should know. You should be able to know the word, know what it says, and know how to spell it. All right, so that's always our goal when we go over our words to know. All right, that you'll know what the word is and you'll know how to spell it. Alrighty, going over to our letters. Here are all the letters we have for this unit. We had Keely Kangaroo with our K letter, which makes the K sound. We had Ollie Octopus with the O sound that says ah. We had Mr. X-Ray with our X, and that makes the X sound. And we mostly hear that at the end of words like box, or ox. Then we had Hattie Horse, which makes the H sound, which is. Then we had Jumping Jill with the J, and she makes J. And Etna Elephant with our E, which makes the sound. Good job, boys and girls. Alrighty, we are going to be segmenting, doing it with cards today. So I'm putting out a few cards. I'm going to sound out some words, and then you'll tell me what word it is I'm saying. All right, here we are. Here's our word cards. Let me see. Can you see this one? It's kind of right there in this light. You can hardly see it. All right, let's try it this way. All right, here are all our word cards. All righty, so my first word I'm going to sound out is x. X. That's right. If you pick this card here, I said x. X, which is mix. Good job. All right, next word card. G. G. If you said it was this card, you were correct. G spells log. Nice job. Next word. G. G. Good job. Bug. G is bug. All right, here is our next one. N. That's right. Sun. N. N is sun. Next word, of course, is bed. Bed. And that spells bed. Good job, boys and girls. All right, we're on to our quick erase. Coming to our quick erase board. I'm going to put a word up. We'll sound it out. Then we'll start changing the beginning sound. First word, et. Et is yet. If I change the Y to N, I have net. Net. If I change the N to M, I have et. Met. Good job. Next word. Dot. Dot. If I change the D to an N, I have not. And if I change the N to K, I have cot. Cot. Alrighty, next one. D-I-G. D-I-G. Dig. If I change the D to F, I have fig. If I change the F to W, I have wig. Good job, boys and girls. Last one. If I have can. If I change the C to an F, I have fan. And if I change the F to R, I have ran. Good job. All right. Here we're going to lose the first letter in each word and to basically say what the family is, what the what's the word I'm looking for? A word family is. All right, here we go. So we have the word mad. Mad. If I take the M, I have add. Here I have it. Pit. If I take the P off, I have it. I have is. His. If I take the H off, I have is. And here I have am. Ram. And if I take the R off, I have am. Alrighty, that's our quick erase. And I think also, boys and girls, I'm going to go back to our word family board where I said, where I showed you the people that got the stars. And I forgot to mention that the top words were top and followed closely by mop. Those were the two most popular words. Alrighty. And as I said, this time we're on the Ott family. All right, here we go. Back to the reading table. So we read a few stories here. Let me go back a page. We started our lesson with Bread Comes to Life. Then we read Pie in the Sky, From Tree to Apple. Alrighty, in your journey books this week, today, you're going to do page 68. And it's asking you, if you wanted to learn more about how to make pies, look for the information in many different places. And I show you some different places that you can find it. This is a library, a school, a home, maybe office, and then your home. So you're going to draw a picture of where you think you would find the information on how to make a pie. First, circle the best place you think here, and then on this page you will draw where you personally would find information on how to make a pie. And that's it on that. Then our other page, we were working with exclamations. Exclamation is that long line with a dot at the end that tells us that the person really meant what they said. They might even be yelling it. So let's go ahead and correct these sentences. We want to make sure we have capital letters and punctuation at the end of each sentence. We were excited to go apple picking. So the W, of course, has to be capitalized in we because that's a lowercase one. Sorry about the focus. That's a lowercase one, and that's not correct. And it has no punctuation. We were excited to go apple picking. And we're going to put an exclamation because we really were excited. Look at all the apple trees. So once again, with the capital letter, look at all the apple trees. Exclamation. And then Kip got an apple too. Kip, of course, capitalized, got an apple too. Perfect. All right, so we want to make sure with our sentences, not only do they make sense, but we want to make sure we have capital letters and we have punctuation. This week we were focused on exclamations. Sometimes it might be a period. Sometimes it might be a question mark. But today we were doing exclamations. And you'll be doing more on page 69 in your Journeys workbook. You'll do that, and that page has to do all with exclamations. And that's it for the reading table. You go ahead and take a break with Miss LaBerth. And when you come back, we'll be doing a bit of writing. All right, boys and girls, take care.